Hello, and welcome to the Miami International Commerce Center. We're here at 8000 Northwest 25th Street in Suite 500, where all 15,238 square feet of flex space is fully air-conditioned. This unit features 7 private offices, 4 bathrooms, 2 large common areas, 1 conference room, and 2 kitchenettes. All in all, 8,741 square feet of office space. The warehouse has 5 roll-up doors with a minimum clear height of 12 feet. Come, let's take a look. Thank you for touring with us today. Please contact our leasing team for additional information. Talk to you soon.